Hello Stamper, welcome to Frenchie's video. I'm France Martin, independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up, and today I'm going to show you how to speed stamp and speed die cut, put it that way. So if you get a thing that you want to do multiple of it when it's a die cut, well, it can be time consuming because you would stamp it. Normally you would stamp it first and then you would bring your die cut. Let me bring this one here. So you would, like I said, stamp it and then bring this at your big shot, match this, and it's a good chance sometime it's going to move a little bit, and then die cut it. Well, what I'm going to share with you today, it's think that you want to do multiple of it, or you get a bunch of cards to do the same thing, or for my case here, I wanted to have a bunch of leaf handy because a lot of time when I do a flower, I want to put a leaf. Well, then it's take the whole thing out for a leaf. Now I'm going to have a bunch of them. Another thing, it's going to save you on time and paper. So like for my leaf, this is Pure Pizzazz, and I had scrap paper. I fold this in two and then see, cut. Well, if I would stamp, I would need more space than that because that would be cutting off. You would not know exactly where to do it. And I can cut 2 layers at the same time without problem. So after you cut them, I did some white first, and I thought, that's crazy, France, you want your leaf green. So I decided to do some in the green. So this is Pure Pizzazz, but we're going to stamp with Old Olive. Now let me get the stamp set, the leaf stamp set here that I had it out, and now it's someplace here, right here. So first thing you want to do, it's cut out a pattern, and those patterns, save it inside your case, so when you need it again, you don't have to do that step again. This stamp set, it's rooted in nature. So I use a piece, it's 4.5 by 4 3/4. You want a bigger piece, not bigger than this, but a big piece, not small like this. Like this, you would have a hard time working with it. So you want something that you get space to work with. Now you're going to take your matching stamp that go with your framelit, put it in your opening. Turn this around, see it's secure there. So that's the side that stamp. Put this down. I put that right in the corner. Oh, if you move it, usually you're going to feel it's inside the opening there. Like this, I move it. Here we go. Well, for some reason, I don't trust myself there. Here we go. Now I'm going to keep that there. Put my magnet right there. Here we go. Did I move that again? I don't think so. And take your plate, push it down there, boom. Now you're going to take one of your cutout, and like I said, I must have separated it. Put it in your opening because you know it fit perfectly there. I'm using, you can use the big ink pad. I just like the little dauber for this. They come in your paper pumpkin. Also, you can get the plain one, the one that don't have ink in the catalog, and then use our re-inker and have any color you want. I'm going to have those links on my blog, so just visit my blog below in the description. It's going to bring you right there. Now I ink this, close this up. Voila. Now I'm going to remove this, pop this up. See? Perfectly leave. Now you're going to see how quick. I'm just going to do 2 of them. If that moves, no problem. You know you went at the corner. Put back this in your opening. Another one. Tap, tap, tap. And that's correct. Push it down. Boom. So that is it, my friend. See how simple? Now I'm going to share with you a two-tone. What I mean by two-tone, it's one of the trees in the rooted nature. So I call that the bonsai tree. Really, it's kind of a pine. So I cut out my tree again. Just cut one piece. And this piece, you can use it out, okay? And see this here? I cut, so I got 4 there. And it's no time at all. It's boom, done. So before I put that in the corner, you just want to lift this up here, look in the back, make sure it's all in your opening good. Going to put that in the corner here. Going to bring that magnet there. Take your plate, close this. Take one of the 3 that you cut out. Put it in your opening. And, excuse me, then I'm going to ink just the top. This is all olive. And then I'm using soft suede marker and doing my trunk there. Going to take this, boom. Now I'm going to take this up, voila. So now my trunk, it's one color, and this, it's another one. Now I know exactly my pattern I don't have to wash anything because I know I stopped there. Going to take my ink, tap, 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 take my marker, and voila. See, you can make this so quick. I mean, no time at all. See, after you get the basic done and you pre-cut some, it's easy to do massive production. Or also sometimes you want to keep some shape in advance, so that's you need them to embellishing and so on. Like the leaves, going to be awesome to have in advance for flower. So that's my tip for mass production with die cut, framelits, thinlits, and that's about it. I'm gonna have all the supplies and the basic supplies there, like the spots and that on my blog just below. You get the link, or above in the eye. That is it, my friend, for now. Till next time, happy stamping. And yes, Stamparatus, it's available on my blog also. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.